everybody, welcome back. I have another sound demo here with the Kef Q350s. I'm going to play a version of Fever by Musica Nuda, and I actually feel that it's probably one of the best versions of Fever I've ever heard. Anyways, Kef Q350s. Enjoy.
Never know how much I love you. I never know how much I care. But when you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever. When you kiss me, a fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, fever all through the night. The sun lights up the daytime, the moon lights up the night. I light up when you call my name, 'cause I know you're gonna treat me right. You give me fever. When you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Everybody's got the fever. That is something you all know. Fever isn't such a new thing. Fever started long ago. Romeo loved Juliet. Juliet, she felt the same. When he put his arms around her, he said, Julie, baby, you're my flame. Now give me fever. When we kiss it, fever with that flame in you. Fever, I'm on fire. Fever, yeah, I burn for you. Campus living for my own does have a very mad affair. When her daddy tried to kill him, she said, Daddy, oh, don't you dare. He gives me fever. With his kisses, fever when he holds me tight. Fever, Miss Mrs. Daddy, won't you treat him right? Now you listen to my story. Here's the boy that I have made. Chicks were born to give you fever, be it fair and have no sense of fever. When they kiss you, fever if you live and love her. What a lovely way to burn. What a lovely way to burn. What a lovely way to burn. Merci. Manu Gaman. Jean-Jacques Pinto.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, subscribe and give me a like. Thank you.